Hi, I'm Rachel and welcome back to Auxhart Gardening. Today I'm starting my single seed challenge. If you don't know what the single seed challenge is, it's a challenge that was started by Scott Head over at Black Gumbo Southern Gardening last year, and it's a challenge that's all about remembering the value of a single seed. Oftentimes when we're gardening, it can be really easy to just sow a bunch of seeds, see a bunch of plants come up, and not really think about the value of each and every seed. A lot of times we're even over sowing with the intention of thinning later. And sometimes that can be a little wasteful. Sometimes that's necessary because of low germination rates. But the point of this challenge is just to bring the focus back to that single seed. The fact that one seed can make one plant with all of these fruits on it and all of these other seeds. This is my second year doing the challenge. Last year I did a single seed challenge of a purple Russian tomato, and I actually have seeds saved from that. But this year I am switching it up, and I'm going to be doing my single seed challenge of a jigsaw pepper. I chose this pepper because last year when I grew it, it was really pretty, but the peppers are teeny tiny, and I thought this year I would really like to grow that inside as sort of a houseplant on my windowsill, and maybe I can pluck off a couple when I'm cooking like a curry or something. But it's not a productive enough plant for me to give it its whole like big space in the garden. And it's okay if it stays small. So I'm going to be planting it out into this little pot. I think it's going to live in this little pot for its whole life on a windowsill. And it's hopefully going to be a cute little windowsill plant. So let's start by selecting a seed. So all we're really trying to do here is pick a seed that looks good, doesn't look shriveled, looks viable. I will say I don't have the best luck picking seeds. Last year I had to restart twice because my seed didn't germinate. And that's okay. A lot of people in the challenge have a similar problem. And it is a good reminder that not every seed will sprout. And it makes it all the more exciting when your seed does sprout. So I'm just going to take this little seed and I'm going to pop it in the soil right here in the middle, cover it up, and now the seed's going to come inside onto a heat mat to sprout. Alright, and that is my single seed challenge all planted. If you want to follow along with the series, this will be a playlist. There's also a playlist on my channel for last year's challenge if you want to check that out. And if you want to participate, use the hashtag SingleSeedChallenge2021. And I know there's going to be a lot of people doing these videos, so if you want to see everybody else that's doing it, just search for that hashtag. Should come up with a huge list of people who are doing this challenge that you can go and watch and support. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, happy gardening!